sweethearts. Okay, wait for it. Wait for it. Bam. Look at that. Bomb. Ah. One pack of hair. Guess what kind of hair this is? Freetress Joyful Curl. Oh my God. I think this might be the fave. It's up there with number 5. Let's get started. I started my hair last night. I wanted to save everybody the time, you know. All right, so for all those who don't know how to pin your hair up, this is how you pin your hair up instead of using a crochet and needle. This is the easiest way for me, and you should try it, you guys, instead of, going the hard way with the needle and thread. All right, you guys, I did get my hair from Amazon, and it is 20 inches, but guess what? I am splitting this in half. It's too hot for the hair to be on my neck like that. So I'm not going to forget about you guys. All products are going to be listed down below. When splitting this hair in pieces, make sure they're thin pieces. If they're too big, they will not hold on your hair. So please make sure they're kind of thin. I'm giving a close-up for all of my beginners. Take your time. Time and patience is key. And if you want to look good, take your time, sweetheart. Nobody's rushing you. Okay, sweethearts, make sure when you are crocheting the hair into your hair, all of your hair that you did crochet up to lock it in, make sure you're tightening those up very well so your hair won't come out. You know what I'm saying? So that braid won't fall down, if you understand what I'm saying. So just make sure you get those out the way first. Okay. All right, you guys. Sorry, I'm a little hot. I am so hot. Look at this. All right. This is only one bundle of hair. One bundle. One bundle. I guess that's why there's 3 bundles. You have one bundle for the back of your hair, and then you have this bundle for the middle of your hair, and you have this bundle for the front. I'm telling you, that's all you need is one pack of hair. So trust me when I say this is worth your money. I'm telling you. So I am done basically with installing the whole thing. If you do not know how to braid a part like this to where you can be able to make a part for you, I'll show you exactly how to do it if you don't know how. So right here, this is the part I'm going to use as well. So right here, what we're going to do is we're going to grab a piece and we're going to put it on the sides of it, like right on the side, just like that. And then when we let it go, we're going to let it go right down the middle, right down there. So this would be your main part. So let's go again. We can go right here. There. Then I have another secret that I use. It's going to be a little tight on your head, but it works. So what we're going to do is, since right here, we're going to probably stop here. We're going to go in here and then in here, okay? So we're going to connect both of them. Go into both sides, put that in there. A little tight, but you'll be fine. Get that in there, get all that around there. See how that's there? Then we're going to tie that up. Tie that up. Make sure it's really, really knotted. Tie that together. If you want, you can even do it another one, just to make sure. Now that is how you put a part directly in your hair, right there. Nice. Okay, I did again. I'm adding this oil again because I did, remember I told you guys I did my hair last night, so I greased it very well, but there's nothing wrong with greasing it again. So you can over grease if you want, because remember your hair is going to be locked up. All right, you guys, I'm loving this hair. Joyful Curl, the bomb, Freetress, awesome. I have another surprise, you guys. My surprise, I told you guys I had a surprise for you at the end of my other video. My surprise is I am 34 weeks pregnant, and it's a girl. So that's my beautiful, beautiful surprise that I'm happy to share with you guys. It's been a journey. I do want to say that. It has been a journey. I have been hot, cold. As you can see in this video, I had on 3 different shirts, okay? I'm very, very, very hot. My feet are swollen right now, so I kind of should be sitting down. I think I have one more video to do before she gets here. Before I might not be able to get a video out. So one more video, and then I believe she's going to be here. So I appreciate you guys so much for being here with me on this journey. This whole year has been a blessing for me and my family. I love you guys so much for being, being a part of this with me.
I'm lost for words right now. So I'm just happy to share my exciting news with you guys. I will see you guys next time. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I am waiting for you. I hope you're thinking about me because I'm definitely thinking about you. I'll see you guys next time.